Hi, good evening. Today video is going to be on user access management for purchase. Normally, when we are dealing with sales, we have a specific group who can see his own quotation or own sales order. But when we are moving to purchase, every user can see everyone's purchase order. How to restrict own purchase order only? So we will going to see how we can do that. So over here, I would like to play with group and access management. So the admin user can see everything, as well as this is a separate purchase user who can see all the purchase orders prepared by any buyer. Buyer means our logged in user, right? So now if I go to settings, what I have done is I have created a new group inside the purchase, that is purchase own group, and inherited with purchase user group. And our record rules I have write to have a new record rule based on purchase order, and this is my record rule, like user ID is equal to the logged in user, and where it is a blank like created by system, people can see that order. Okay, so this is a separate purchase application based on documents only rights. And now if I go to my user and apply to this PO at po.com user over here, like on documents only, and then if I am logged in as a PO user, let's see, and go back to my purchase application, now I can see only my orders. Okay, so this is how we can separate out on purchase order document. Whenever there is no buyer selected over here, if I remove this, even that is visible to all. So on RFQ side, yeah, if it is blank, it is visible to all. If I want to remove that access also, what I need to do is I need to go to my group, I need to go to my purchase on document group. In record rule, I just remove this string. Okay, and then if I remove this, that's it. Now once I reload, even blank user will not be available. Only I can see where I am set as a user and I am logged in. Hope this will help many users to set exclusive access management to purchase user also by separating out the user access management to own document. Thank you.